Alright, yo, this is the first time I've drifted a 240. We're about to start ripping it. I took the hood off just to make sure it doesn't overheat or anything. It was overheating a little bit but on the way here, but it's not really doing it now, so hopefully we don't blow this shit up. That would suck. But yeah, me and Mary about to send this thing. I kind of somewhat put some of the interior back in. There's a little walk around in the car right now. My fitment's a little whack over on this side compared to the other side. I thought I got it the same, but I guess I didn't. See, this one's kind of tucking a little bit, but oh well. I'm gonna hook this up to the window and I'm gonna go drive.